Buner, a land of mountains, rivers, and resilient people. But in the blink of an eye, the paradise turned into a nightmare. What struck this valley was not just a flood, but the wrath of nature amplified by human greed. This disaster began with a sudden cloudburst, causing a devastating flash flood. The flood came roaring down with sand and stones so massive that even the oldest villagers living here for over 70 years had never seen anything like them. But nature was not alone in this destruction. For years, timber mafias stripped these mountains of their trees. Trees that once held the soil together and absorbed water were gone. This made the flood deadlier. The marble cutting industry added to the damage, leaving the land weaker and unable to resist the force of water. Despite nationwide support, money, clothes, shelter, and food pouring in from all over Pakistan, the land remains buried under heavy stones. The once flowing river is now closed with soil and sand. Even 2 to 3 hours of rain today can trigger another flood because the river is already blocked. Instead of digging the riverbed to prevent disaster, soil from cleared roads is dumped back into the river. The dangerous practice has already caused another night of flooding, proving that this is not only a natural disaster but a man made crisis. To prevent another tragedy, the river must be properly dug out and climate action taken seriously. Timber mafias must be stopped no matter their political protection. These acts of greed are costing lives, homes, and futures. Over 500 lives were lost, and some victims remain buried under the debris and stones never to be found. The pain is immeasurable and the scars are deep, but we cannot give up. With the right action, strong voices, and united communities, we can prevent another disaster.